Hello everyone, welcome to our next part of the series, part 3, and welcome to our Blender Art channel too. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll come more videos, something like this, and more than this. Yes. Yes. Uh, the thing is, from these folders, I copied my images and put it outside of this folder here. You can see in round one, it is outside of this folder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the 5. These 5 are the textures, and this is the file name which we already sorry, I forgot to tell you in the previous parts. I exported this object. This is for the validation purpose that our object is correct or not. So after that, what I did, I exported it as FBX, and yeah, from FBX I directly export here. Okay, directly export here, and yeah. So with the name which is this one, it is in the test. It is already discussed that this should be the name of our object. So we are going to see the file structure example. So so for now, what we are going to do, we are going to again export, because we are going to use the same name for the geometry. So I am going to copy this, and yeah, I am going to paste it on this one. And if you again launch the Kodama, it will give you the error because the name is changed with the material. It didn't give us the error. Okay, no issues, but still what we are going to do, we are going to use the same name. Okay, so inside this we are going to use this name for our base color texture. So this is our base color, and here we pasted it, and you can see main image, it is already in the JPG format, so we don't need to use this one. So main is our geometry name. This is material, and material is main base color. Okay, this is material on geometry main, which is base color. So this is how we need to assign the texture, assign the naming conventions for these all. So again, we are going to copy. This is for normal. It is written here normal. You can use any name, but for the test purpose, I am going with the same name here. Yeah, for the normal, again, sorry, it is opened. Yeah, Control V. We are going to remove the JPG here, so that we won't get any error in future. And next is the opacity. Control C. And for opacity, where is the opacity? There is no opacity map inside that, so we're going to leave it. And emissive, we don't have any emissive material. We have, yes, metallic. Metallic is here. Control V, and JPG to this. And yes, again we are going to copy the AO map. Control C. This is AO, this one. Control V and remove the .jpg. And again, we are going to copy the roughness. Roughness is this one. Again, you need to go JPG. Yes. Now, what is the thing right now? We are going to revalidate it, and we exactly get some errors. We won't get any error. I don't know why, but we need to assign the texture again here. Base color test. Base color is this. This one is the metallic. Metallic sRGB none. This one is roughness. Roughness is here. It should also be with the non-color. And the last one is the normal. This should also with non-color. Now revalidate it. Okay, one minor issues which was of same UVW. So yeah, it is now completely pegged. Now what you can do, you can use this automatically peg resource so that the file can automatically peg inside the Blender file, and we're going to use the same export option again so that it export the FBX again. Okay, now we have exported our file in this directory, and we are going to use these options like this 1 2 3 4 5 are the textures, 6 this one, and yeah, we need to copy one more thing which is text zip, text test zip. Okay, so we are going to archive it, and we are going to archive it as a zip file, and here in zip we are going to rename it this, and click OK. So zip file is prepared. Now our file is completely ready to upload it on the website, upload it on the progress section. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try one upload here. Okay, and now you can submit it. Now here from you can submit, but I'll submit it after checking some changes. If I found any other changes, I'll discuss in the another video. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it. And yeah, thanks for watching.